Umabot na sa mahigit 6 billion pesos ang Local Government Support Fund na na-release sa maraming local government units sa iba't ibang probinsya sa BARMM mula sa BARM Government. Sa pagdinig ng Committee on Public Accounts, hininga ng listahan ni Basilan Representative Mujib Hataman ang Regional Commission on Audit ng mga probinsya na nakatanggap ng LGSF at halaga ng natanggap.
So, in the letter dated February 13, 2025 by Minister Ubaida C. Pacasum, the subject of his letter is submission of the list of local government unit beneficiaries for the fiscal year 2024 Local Government Support Fund. So, attached to his letter, he submitted all the total funds released out of the Local Government Support Fund for the calendar year 2024. So the total amount of released from the Local Government Support Fund amounted to 6,446,948,849.
6 billion?
6 billion.
6, ano ma'am? 6, to be ano lang, specific.
Yes po.
6.4
billion po.
6.4B. Etong 6.4B ma'am, ito yung total disburse nung anong month ho to?
Based on his letter, sir, based on letter of Minister Pacasum, the report is as of February 30, 2025. But this only covers the appropriation for LGSF for 2024.
So, pero ano to na, yung cover niya, inuulit ko lang, is LGSF 2024, tama?
Kasama po, sir, yung sa January
LGSF.
2025 releases.
So, nung January, ma'am, may na-release pa na amount?
Yes, sir, based on the report submitted.
Kailan nagsimula yung anong month nagsimula yung releasing nung LGSF?
Based on the record submitted to COA, sir, the release of the funds started in August, sometime in August 2024, sir.
Ma'am, meron kayong kopya nung fund release or disburse from LGSF for the month of August? Kung magkano ang total amount?
Yes, sir, I have.
Can we, if Mr. Chair, can the attorney, may I request, Mr. Chair, that a copy of the detailed releases month by month, barangay by barangay, municipalities by municipality, and province by province?
Attorney,
Kung may kopya.
Attorney COA.
Yes, sir.
Attorney, DML Mujib Hataman is requesting for a copy of the releases starting August of 2024, as you have stated, until February 13. Tama po? Feb 13?
Yes po, sir.
2025.
But actually, sir, in the report submitted to us, we don't have the total by month, but only the report submitted is the total for the entire 2024.